After receiving the package, check the components in the cabinet. If any parts are damaged or missing, contact customer service immediately. Align panels number 6 and number 7, pre-connect with for PCs of screw-a-can bolts. Lock and secure with 4 PCs of screw B cam nuts. Install panel number 5, connect with 4 PCs of screw-a-can bolts. Secure panels number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8 with 4 PCs of screw B. Install back panel number 4, connect with 10 PCs of screw-a-can bolts. Reinforce back panel with 10 PCs screw B plus 8 PCs screw C. Install side panels to 3 and Fireplace side panels number 10, number 11. Use 14 PCs screw A. Secure with 6 PCs screw B plus 4 PCs screw C. Install shelf panel number 12, secure with 4 PCs screw B plus 4 PCs screw C. Reinforce connections with 4 PCs screw A. Assemble cabinet frame. Secure with 4 PCs screw B plus 8 PCs screw C. Install top panel 1. Secure with 10 PCs screw A plus to PCSE1 plus to PCSE4. Lock top panel with 10 PCs screw B plus 12 PCs screw C. Install Fireplace support panels 13 for 15. Use 4 PCs screw B plus for PCs screw C. Reinforce support panels with screw D to prevent board deformation. Install panel number 18, connect with two PCs of screw A. Install fitting number 20, secure with 2 PCs of screw B. Install door panel assembly, connect with 7 PCs of screw A. Secure door with 7 PCs screw B plus for PCs screw C. Install panels number 16, number 17, number 18, number 19, secure with screw C. Secure with screw D. Final display effect with Fireplace insert install.